Hello kids, el día de hoy estuvimos ya trabajando con esta página, page number 113, and this was really easy. Okay, we have to match the animals to the place where you can find them or where they lived. So we have to match the crab, the dolphin, the starfish, the shark, the seashell, and the turtle. Okay, we have two places, the beach and the sea under the water. Okay, so we have to match them. For example, the dolphin. The dolphin lives where? In the ocean, right? The shark too. The turtle, well, I think this one we can find in the sand and on the beach and also in the water. But you decide where they live, where you can find them. That was the first part, okay? After this page, we start a new unit, that's unit 5. And this unit 5, we are going to be talking about why is it important to take care of our planet? ¿Por qué debemos cuidarlo? Why is it important? Why we have to clean, we have to plant trees like these kids. ¿Qué están haciendo ellos? They are planting trees y vamos a completarle aquí usando esa palabrita. They are planting. Déjame ver qué tan grande sale ahí. Planting, okay, planting. They are planting trees. Es una muy buena forma de cuidar nuestro planeta, sobre todo, ustedes lo notarán, it's really hot. Está muy caliente ya nuestro planeta. We have to plant trees, we have to take care of the water, tenemos que cuidar el agua, we have to be clean, no tenemos que tirar basura. We have a lot of ways to protect our planet. So, esto es de lo que vamos a estar hablando. We have a new unit 5. Y bueno, entonces nos vemos el día de mañana cuando vamos a estar haciendo y viendo esta nueva unidad. Ok, nos vemos entonces el día de mañana. See you later, guys. See you tomorrow, Tuesday. Bye.